Success next month. This topic was pulling me really strong to do this reading. It's all about what you're going to succeed in next month. And all day today, I've just been feeling this topic. It's been pushing on me so strong. So I'm really curious. And I want to remind you that this is very important. You are truly called and feel that you should do this reading because I'm going to be very specific. So it's not going to be for everybody, of course. I do think that you're absolutely meant to receive this reading if you have listened this far, and also if you feel a connection to the topic, and also if you feel drawn to any of these crystals here. We have a selenite. This is pile number 1. Amethyst, this is pile number 2. Rose quartz, this is pile number 3. So feel in your intuition here which one is meant for you. If you do not feel a strong connection to one of these crystals, then you can check out my other readings. There are many, many, many. So I'm sure there are many meant to reach you. Okay, if you also feel drawn to one or two or more, you can check out more piles. There might be something that is, extra for you, an extra message. Let's get started. You can find your timestamp in the text below, and I will see you in your reading. We are starting here, pile number 1. I think I'm gonna put this one here. Yeah, I'm gonna pull 3 cards from each deck for you. And let's see. The devil. Wait, this one is reversed. Okay. It was like half reversed. Let's see. Ooh, jumpy cards. 3 of Wands. Oh, this is a huge expansion for you. Oh, King of Cups. Stability, balance, emotional fulfillment. Okay, we have 3 cards of this deck. Taking also 3 cards here. I'm already seeing a very beautiful topic for you. Okay. Let me feel into this. And then also we are taking 3 fairy cards. And then we're done to start diving into this topic. Okay, so you are going to succeed with more than one thing. I actually thought it was going to be one thing. So it's all about, the devil card represents that you're stuck in some kind of addiction or materialism, chasing after something that is fulfilling the ego and not the flesh. So what I see here, because this one came upside down, half reversed, it also means that this placement has a big symbolism and message for you, that this is something that you are now conquering, because the devil is about, the wrong kind of pleasures in life, something that is just growing our emptiness within. And here I feel that this is going to change for you next month. And it's going to change so much. I feel there's a huge success here for you, conquering your own self-worth. It's like knowing who you are and trusting who you are. And 3 of Wands is about growing very quickly, committing to a truth. So you are stepping out of something and committing to a deeper truth of fulfillment. And I see here, because I do felt that this is something psychological, there is something within you. Here I feel fulfillment in your emotional life, deeply within. I feel that this is looking at the wrong kind of people as well, desiring something that isn't for you because you kind of lowered your bar a little bit. And I feel that you felt that it was almost impossible for you to reach where you're going next month. But now, because you have changed your mindset, something beautiful is starting to bloom within. I do feel like there's a happy surprise coming for you. You're succeeding with, like, when you have put an exam in and you're waiting for the result. I see this, just to paint a picture, that this is the kind of, in the beginning of next month, you're waiting for the result. You have finished off something that was difficult, challenging for you, and you're done, and you are going now in a period of sitting with your coffee cup or your book, looking at your phone, and then all of a sudden this huge breakthrough because you made a beautiful decision and a commitment to something beautiful, and you're aware of now what is good for you. And then I see, you're succeeding with something so major. Some of you are actually, this is school related. I feel two very different topics for you listening. I see some of you, it's school related, work related. I feel the word exam. Or for some of you, I feel that this is passing a test with love, a love relationship. So take what resonates for you. Either it's this a relationship that you have passed the test and you're kind of leveling up in love, and this is your huge success. And for some of you, it's passing an exam that you've been struggling with for so long, and then finally next month, or you're getting approved to start a new project, a school, a new relationship. I see studies and relationship exams, and just this just opens whatever you're succeeding with here, something major, it is opening a whole new door for you. And here I see you super content, you planted the seeds, now you can lean back. You had this success, finally can just breathe out, relax on the sofa, and enjoy the success that you had. And what you planted has already grown big here. So it's just gonna, the seeds are gonna take, what do you say? They are spreading, and they're also taking a new era within this topic here. So if it's a relationship, it's just like entering a new era, or if it's the exam is opening up doors for you for new work possibilities, it's just opening up a new world for you to reach wide and far. Beautiful. Okay, that was your little update on a beautiful success coming for you next month. We are going to move on. Thank you so much for listening. Let's see. Dear pile number 2, we are going to see what is going to succeed next month. I'm going to take 3 cards from 3 different decks. Oh, wow. Okay. We have some beautiful, looks like a wedding. Love relationship, a new journey. Oh, 4 of Wheels is here. Wow, I do feel a wedding. Okay, take what resonates, but for some of you listening, there is an actual wedding coming next month. Or planning a wedding, or starting to enjoy a marriage, or it's all about this kind of union. Stay with me. I'm gonna pull some more cards. I'm gonna see more deeper into this. This is just what pops out here. And the first cards I'm looking is very clear. Wow. So I'm gonna feel in a little bit to this, because here I'm asking, like, what is the success next month? And definitely this is related to a relationship. It's just this moment when you're seeing someone or connecting with someone on a level that you didn't think was possible. Because I see here is the discard, the Fool. It's all about just innocently going for the dreams. You're just believing in this and opening up the door to your deepest dreams. And I see that this is because we have a very feminine card here, and also we have the Queen, and there's a lot of feminine symbols here. But here she's union. She's uniting with the masculine. And this is the union that is the deepest kind of union we can do. And in our time, in our social construct, the marriage symbolizes for us the deepest commitment. So take how this resonates for you, but this really talks about success with the deepest kind of commitment that you can make. And you've done this commitment from such a beautiful place that it's talking about a source of absolute magic for you. You've been deep within in the night, finding light here that makes you able to have this beautiful synergy, serendipity, love that is just this moment in time where you're connecting with somebody so very deep. I feel that this card is popping up extra much with some extra importance to me, and it's all about also a little bit conservative um, message. It's about honoring loyalty, and also that I can say usually marriage also represent that, about being safe in love, secure, and having a kind of a chosen control, but not in a bad way. I just feel that you have mastered something. If I can say a better word than control, it's more about, having mastered something, having knowing something so much that it gives you security and it gives you self self-esteem, but also, like, I was to say, not self-esteem, like soul esteem, love esteem. So this is your beautiful success. If it's resonating with this, just feel that this was truly meant to reach you. If it doesn't really resonate with this marriage thing, also know what it represents to you on a deeper level, as within as without, because when we are getting married with our inner yin and yang and feeling this divine harmony within us, then we're also succeeding with this beautiful grace of how we're living life, because we found so much beauty within. Opening up. I see here is opening up also the summer fulfillment and this light circle. There are many light, bright circles talking about fulfillment of your light and uniting day and night. So the marriage can also represent, this is the day, the beginning of the day, and here we have the deep night. So all about unifying this. Yin and yang, masculine and feminine, man and woman. And not only temporary, this is something that, like, this kind of union represents the deepest kind of commitment. Okay, that was an update for your next month and what you will succeed with. This was so beautiful to hear and see for you. I'm super happy for you. Always such an honor to do those kind of readings. Thank you so much for listening, and we're gonna move on. Let's see here. Hello, dear pile number 3. Let's see what success is coming for you next month. We are going to pull 3 cards from 3 different decks. I'm starting with the fairies. Okay. Adore, flow, being at home, ending some kind of trouble. Is it a home situation? What is this? I'm going to take a few more cards to clear things up. Oh, Ace of Swords. So it's about a huge breakthrough for you. You're going to realize something huge is going to end. You are ending a cycle of trouble, and you're doing it fiercely. Wow. You passion, courage, determination here to end something, an end of a karmic cycle, a bad pattern that has been repeating for some time is ending. Some things we are just doing over and over again, it can, last with us for a lifetime. But here it feels like those huge breakthrough moment is coming for you and leaving space for something absolutely beautiful. It's like you're stepping out of the door of a karma and you're just like, oh, okay, I'm done. No drama, you're just done. Let's see, we also have the Eight of Swords. So it's about something that has made you feel trapped, been blaming yourself, or feeling restricted because of this, feeling that you didn't have the power you needed, like feeling a bit helpless. And now the cards is all about succeeding with finally breaking through this. Like you got the sword and you're just cutting through this illusion, end of karma, end of this cycle. Yes, it's a breakthrough, a huge succeeding breakthrough. because you are super focused and you realized something. It's like one of those aha moments. Now all of a sudden it's not hidden to you anymore. You're understanding there's no secrets about this anymore. Everything that was hidden here for you is finally you're succeeding to break your way through and out of this and start a whole new journey. There is just blossoms in front of you on your road ahead. I see like someone throwing petals in front of your feet, and that is actually you because you've succeeded so beautifully with this. And now I feel also that you're gonna succeed to move on to a new level that is it's so amazing that the cards want to tell you that, you know, keep it to yourself a little bit because you're about to enter something huge. You're going to succeed with something amazing. It's just see blossoming, blossoming, blossoming. And I see that it's very playful and funny. But I do feel that because you need to shake off this energy and really succeed with this, don't talk about where you're going quite yet. Just wait until you have, moved through this a little bit and feel that yes, now I'm totally out of this. I feel that this is just happening. I feel like an egg hatching and you're popping out and and then once you're here, yes, it's just like all these flowers opening. That's what I see. These flowers are popping up at me. This one, this one, this one. It's just in front of your feet, around of your head. It's starting to blossom. All right, that was your little update on next month and your great success here. I'm super impressed. So honored to look into your cards. Thank you so much for your trust. Thank you for listening, and I'll hope to see you again. Bye.